friends! I'm Pip. Let's learn A. A is for arrowhead. Look at the pointy green leaves. The sound of A is ah, ah, ah. Can you say ah? B is for bubble. It's round and floats in the air. The sound of B is boop, boop, boop. Let's pop the boop sound.
C is for cattail. It's fuzzy and tall in the water.
The sound of C is choo, choo, choo. Make a choo sound with me.
D is for dragonfly. See how fast it zips and zooms. The sound of D is do, do, do. Tap a do-do-do drum.
E is for eggs. See the little dots hiding in the jelly? The sound of E is eh, eh, eh. Can you make the eh sound? F is for fern. Look at its swirly, curly green leaves. The sound of F is foof, 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 foof. Blow a soft foof, foof sound. If you loved our rainy day adventure, tap the red button to join our pond family. G is for goldfish. Look at it swim and splash. The sound of G is go, go, go. Gulp goes the fish, go, go. H is for hopper. It has long legs to jump high. The sound of H is ha, ha, ha. Let out a big breath. I is for insect. See it skate on the water. The sound of I is e, e, e. Wiggle like an insect, e, e. J is for jumpy frog. Watch it hop and splash.
The sound of J is ju, ju, ju. Jump and say ju, ju, ju.
K is for koi. It's a fish with colorful spots. The sound of K is coo, coo, coo. Click your tongue, coo, coo. L is for log. It's made of wood and floats on the water. Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a splash. Bye-bye! The sound of L is lel, 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 lel. M is for mud. It's soft and squishy on the ground. The sound of M is a yummy sound. N is for newt. It's a little friend with a long tail. The sound of N is make a nosy sound. O is for otter. It loves to splash and play.
The sound of O is ah, ah, ah. Open your mouth and say ah.
Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a splash. Bye-bye! P is for pebble. It's a smooth and shiny stone. The sound of P is boop, boop, boop. Pop your lips, boop, boop. Q is for quail. It's a little bird that walks fast. The sound of Q is quoo, quoo, quoo. like a quail. Quoo, quoo. R is for ripple, a little wave that spreads out wide.
The sound of R is roar like a lion.
S is for snail. It moves slow on its slimy trail.
The sound of S is make a snake sound.
T is for turtle. It has a hard shell on its back. The sound of T is toot, toot, toot. Tap your tongue, toot, toot. If you loved our rainy day adventure, tap the red button to join our pond family. U is for umbrella plant. It looks like a green umbrella. The sound of U is ooh, Look up and say V is for vole, a furry friend that loves to swim. The sound of V is V, 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 V. Feel the buzz, V, 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 V. W is for water lily, a pretty flower floating on the waves.
The sound of W is woo, woo, woo. Wiggle your lips, woo, woo.
X is for X-ray fish. You can see its little bones inside. The sound of X is kuss, kuss, kuss. It's a tricky sound, kuss, kuss. Y is for Yabby. It has pincers and walks on the sand. The sound of Y is you, you, ya, ya. Say yes to ya, ya. Z is for zigzag. See the bug zoom back and forth. The sound of Z is z, 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 z. Buzz like a bee, z, z, z. We did it! We learned all our letters from A to Z. You are amazing, friends!
I had so much fun with you today. See you next time in the pond.
If you loved our rainy day adventure, tap the red button to join our pond family. Don't forget to click the bell so you never miss a splash. Bye-bye!